Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to flip your screen if the orientation is wrong or something like that. So you can flip your screen really easy if you select the monitor on the top and go to screen orientation down here. You can see we have landscape, portrait. So if we go to portrait, for example, it's going to rotate that entire screen. Now it's going to be kind of hard to see everything. So you might want to just revert it or keep the changes. But how you get here, it's very easy. So let's just close this down. Right click on the desktop, go to display settings. So right click, display settings. Choose your monitor. You can see this monitor is now portrait. It looks kind of goofy when I have it up. And it's kind of hard to get to it because I don't have it flipped actually. So we can go on down now, select the monitor, and I can put it back to landscape. And this is how we'll go ahead and fix it. Go to keep changes right here. And now the monitor is in the correct position. So if I go back over to this monitor now, you can see it's upright. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.